Good morning, children. Let us revise chapter 4, 5, 6. Listen to me carefully. Define pronouns. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Example: Karthik has a balloon. He has a balloon. The cat is sleeping. It is sleeping. He and it are pronouns. Match the nouns in column A with the correct pronouns in column B. Rahul, pronoun he. Avinash and Akhil, pronoun they. My sister, mother and I, pronoun we. Priya, pronoun she. A dog, pronoun it. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. He gave me the books. He and me are pronouns. I gave him a pair of shoes. I and him are pronouns. She put on a new frock. She is pronoun. Please give them money for the entry ticket. Them is pronoun. We went to meet Ranjit's grandfather. We is pronoun. Look at the words in red in each sentence. In column A, choose the best pronoun to take their place in column B. He, she, it. Our dog Tipsy. It was sleepy. Our dog Tipsy was sleepy. It was sleepy. My mother sent us outside. She sent us outside. My brother was playing a ball. He was playing with a ball. The ball was big. It was big. My brother threw the ball. He threw the ball. My sister caught the ball. She caught it. Choose the correct pronouns from the brackets to fill in the blanks. The teacher called me. I went to her immediately. Selena wants to play football. She loves the game. Rita will not go to school. She is not well. The dog was happy when we played with it. Mrs. Naidu said to Mohan, Mohan, you are a good boy. Write the correct pronouns in the blanks to replace the underlined nouns. Rahul and Angur like to play volleyball. They like to play volleyball. Monica stood first in her class. She stood first in her class. The dog wags its tail when the dog is happy. The dog wags its tail when it is happy. Nitin came but Supriya could not. He came but she could not. Diksha and I study in the same school. We study in the same school. Define adjectives. The words that describe nouns are called describing words or adjectives. Example: a fat man, a white kitten, a thin man. Fill in the blanks using suitable adjectives: fresh, hungry, pretty, hot, strong. The hungry cat drank all the milk. Fresh fruits are good for us. Rajat likes hot milk. Only a strong person can lift heavy things. Lena is wearing a pretty dress. Rewrite the following sentences using the adjectives given in bracket at suitable places. I have a ball. I have a red ball. Mother has a knife. Mother has a sharp knife. These are apples. These these are sweet apples. This is a doll. This is a lovely doll. The boy drank all the water. The thirsty boy drank all the water. Fill in the blanks by choosing suitable adjectives from those given in brackets. The packet is very heavy. Delhi is a big city. Respecting elders is a good habit. The giraffe has a long neck. When it rains, the road gets muddy. In winter, we like to have hot drink. Rewrite the sentences using the opposite of the underlined adjectives. The table is dirty. The table is clean. Rohan wore new clothes. Rohan wore old clothes. The man wearing a blue shirt is rich. The man wearing a blue shirt is poor. Shilpa has long black hair. Shilpa has a short black hair. The red box is empty. The red box is full. Write one word for the following phrases. Choose the answer from the stripes below. Courageous, greedy, sandy, expensive, well-mannered, creamy. Something that cost a lot, expensive. Someone who shows a lot of courage, courageous. A cake full of cream, creamy. A person full of greed, greedy. A beach full of sand, sandy. Someone who has good manners, well-mannered. Complete the adjectives. All of the words end in Y. Opposite of light. Heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Not clean, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Not difficult, E-A-S-Y, easy. A large number, M-A-N-Y, many. Very small, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Not wet, D-R-Y, dry. Not beautiful, U-G-L-Y, ugly. Nice to look at, P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. Smaller, shorter, longer, older. The man is older than the boy. A chair is smaller than a bed. Yamini is shorter than her brother. A rabbit has longer ears than a cat. Choose a suitable adjectives from the bracket. Deepest, longest, oldest, cleverest, shortest, fastest. Yesterday was the coldest day of this winter. Don't swim in the deepest part of the pool. The cleverest boy will win the quiz. The fastest girl won the race. Pick up the longest pencil from the bunch. I took the shortest jump. Complete the table. Near, nearer, nearest. Fine, finer, finest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Close, closer, closest. Neat, neater, neatest. Slow, slower, slowest. We do not add er and est at the end of some adjectives. Example, good, better, best. Little, less, least. Bad, worse, worst. Homework. Write the given exercises in your homework book and learn it. Thank you.